Alright everybody, this is going to be part 2 of the Pride Mobility Victory 10 restoration video. Yesterday I bought this scooter for $250 and I probably should have asked more questions, but overall I still feel that it's okay buy. I just wish the owner would have been a little more transparent about the issues with the scooter. But anyway, the project is to rebuild the scooter, bring it back to a condition where I feel that it's acceptable to be part of my rental fleet, and I think it's going to be a great series. Alright, so this is the scooter here. It's a Victory 10. You can tell it's older because it's got the circle lights instead of the rectangle lights. These are the rectangle lights right here. And you might not be able to catch it on video how dirty the scooter is, but it's pretty bad. This whole shroud side is broken. Shroud's brand new, cost about $260. Just covered in dirt. This is broken right here. This shouldn't be moving like that. Let's see where it's cracked down here. Oh, right down there. As you see all the caked on dirt there. These batteries are from uh, 2021. So July of 2021. Well past their prime. I have the batteries out, but the neutral alarm doesn't work. The padding is a little worn. I think it's okay, but we'll either have to wash or replace this cover. Here, we're gonna have to at the very least replace the handguards. These have been covered in duct tape. There's a little rip here, but actually there's a few little rips. But I have replacement seat covers, so that shouldn't be a big deal. And also, I plan to make this scooter red. So here is a brand new shroud I've had for a while as a replacement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on one of my newer scooters. As you can see here, I've done some previous repairs. And so I'm going to put the new shroud back on my newer scooter, and I'm going to take this shroud that's got some damage and put it on this scooter here. So when I say I'm going to make the scooter red, I'm going to replace the shroud piece I just showed you. I'm going to replace the whole set here. I already have a backup set. It's right there. And then I didn't have an extra piece of this, so I ordered it off of eBay for 30 bucks. And then I'm going to replace this piece here with a piece I already have right there. And then as we get through the scooter, we'll see what other issues. One issue I see right here is I definitely need a new tire. And you can see also there's a chip there. And we're going to have to clean stuff, lube stuff. But overall, I think it'll be a pretty good project. And just kind of wanted to share with you what we got. All right, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.